In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get read receipt in Outlook. If you want to know when someone has opened an email you send, Outlook gives you the option to request a read receipt while you're composing your message. This can be helpful for important emails when you want a little extra confirmation that your message was seen. Just keep in mind that a read receipt is a request, so the recipient's email settings may affect whether you actually receive one. To get started, go to Mail in Outlook. Make sure you're in the main mail area before moving on, since that's where you'll create a new message and access the email options you need. Once you're in Mail, click on New to begin composing a message. This opens the menu for creating something new in Outlook. From there, click on Mail so you can open a brand new email draft. If Outlook gives you a few different creation options, choosing Mail ensures you're working with a standard email message. After the new message window opens, look for the Options menu. This is where Outlook places extra sending settings that aren't always visible in the main Compose toolbar. Clicking Options will reveal more controls related to how your email is sent and tracked. Inside Options, click on Request Read Receipt. When this setting is turned on, Outlook will attach a read receipt request to that specific email. That means if the recipient's email system supports it, and if their settings allow it, you may receive a notification letting you know the message was opened. At this point, you can continue writing your email as usual and send it when you're ready. The read receipt request applies to that message, so it's a good idea to use it only when it's actually necessary. Overusing read receipts can make emails feel a bit formal or intrusive, especially in casual conversations. One helpful tip is to remember that a read receipt doesn't always guarantee a response, and it also doesn't always confirm full engagement with the content of the email. It simply indicates that the message was opened if the recipient's system sends that information back. And that's it. That's how to request a read receipt in Outlook by going to Mail, creating a new mail message, opening Options, and selecting Request Read Receipt. If you follow those steps, you'll be able to add a read receipt request to your email in just a few clicks.